everyone. Welcome to 5 Minutes Belly Dance with me. Today, we're going to work on another turn, which is called the barrel turn. The important aspect of the barrel turn is on the arm movements. It looks like a helicopter in which you turn around with your arm. You can think of a barrel turn as turning on the vertical plane. The usual turn that we do is usually on the horizontal plane, but you stretch out your arm to the side and you're turning this way, right? So this is on the horizontal plane, whereas for the barrel turn, it's basically focusing on the vertical plane. So it's very important for you to work on the arms movement to make the turn looks different from the horizontal arm turn. Okay, so let's work on the arms now. You have to imagine that you have a pole going through the arm. So this is like a pole. All right. So when this arm goes down, the other arm comes up. And this arm goes down, the other arm comes up. All right. So you must think of this way. You can actually tilt your shoulder. You don't have to just do the arm. If this way, it doesn't look like it's connected, right? So your upper body actually moves together with the arm. Alright, so when this arm, let's try with the right arm going down. This arm goes up, and as you turn, when you reach here, one is down, the front arm is down, the back arm is up. And as you further turn, as the right arm goes up, the left arm comes down, you will be facing back. And then as you continue to turn, now your right arm goes up, your left arm goes down. You're here, and then come back front. So these are the 4 checkpoints. 1, 2, 3, 4, and come back. All right. So let's see this again, but now we're going to the other side. So this is 1. As your left arm comes down, right arm goes up. As you reach here, your arms will be like this on the 2, checkpoint 2. And then you come down, checkpoint 3 and 4, and come back front. All right, so when you practice this, try to do it near a wall. All right, so that you can actually work on the vertical plane. Your arms should not go this way. Okay, it should not go this way, as because you'll be hitting the wall if you do this. All right, so try to make it really flat when you're doing the barrel turn. So if we actually go faster, it'll be like this. The other side. So I'm just do the walking on the spot turn. All right. So from here, I'm just going here. I just walk and walk and walk and walk. It doesn't really matter how many steps you make. All right. As long as you make the turn. Over here, what I did was 1, 2. I came to here. 3, 4. I face to the back. 5, 6, and 7, 8. Of course, I did not spot just now, right? But you should be doing your spotting either to the front, or when we do barrel turn, sometimes we do spot by looking down. Barrel turn can utilize any turns that you have learned so far. Okay, you can do the barrel turn by going to the side with a 3-point turn. All right, or the 2-point turn, or you can do it on the spot with the pedal turn or the walk around turn. Okay, so it's basically up to you. All right. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, press the subscribe and bell button, and see you again next time. Bye.